What if the shoes you wear every day are slowly destroying your feet without you knowing? Most people never stop to think about what their footwear is actually doing to their body. But here is the truth, and it might surprise you far more than you ever expected. Your feet were never designed to be locked inside thick cushioned shoes all day long. Over time, especially after 40, 50, and beyond, something quiet begins to change inside your body. Your muscles start to weaken, your posture slowly shifts, and your balance becomes much harder to maintain. And the worst part is that most people never connect these problems back to their shoes at all. Now here is the part that will completely shock most people when they first hear it today. Something as simple as walking barefoot, even for just a few minutes daily, can truly help you. Research suggests it can begin reversing some of the damage that modern footwear has quietly caused you. So what actually happens inside your body the moment you start walking barefoot every single day? Let us break this down simply in a way that is easy for absolutely anyone to understand. For most of human history, people either walked barefoot or wore very simple, minimal footwear every day. Your feet evolved over thousands of years to feel the ground and respond to every surface naturally. They were built to bend, grip, and move freely without any thick cushion blocking them from below. But modern shoes changed everything by reducing how much your feet actually feel and do real work. The cushioning takes over the job your feet were meant to do, and your muscles slowly forget. This habit of walking barefoot is sometimes called grounding, and it comes with real surprising benefits. Grass, sand, and soil are the natural surfaces your feet were always designed to walk on freely. And when you give them that chance again, something remarkable starts happening deep inside your entire body. Your body starts working the way it was always meant to, and the changes you feel are real. Your feet contain over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments, all working together supporting you every single day. But when those muscles are not used properly, they begin to weaken much faster than most people realize. Research on foot mechanics confirms that supportive shoes reduce muscle activation in your feet over long periods. In simple terms, your shoes start doing the work your feet are supposed to be doing themselves. But the moment you go barefoot, your toes begin to spread, grip, and activate all over again. Small stabilizing muscles switch back on, and your feet slowly begin adapting to uneven natural ground again. Over time, this builds real strength in your feet and noticeably improves your balance and stability overall. After the age of 50, when fall risk increases sharply, strong feet and solid balance matter deeply. Your feet are the foundation of your entire body, and everything above them is built from there. When that foundation is even slightly off, the effects travel all the way up to your back. Most modern shoes have a slightly raised heel that quietly shifts your entire body weight forward daily. That small lift gradually changes how you walk, how your joints move, and how your body feels. Over time, it creates uneven joint pressure, especially on your knees, hips, and lower back area. Barefoot walking encourages a flatter, more natural foot strike with better weight distribution across your whole body. Some studies in biomechanics suggest this can reduce joint stress and help your posture slowly realign naturally. Your feet are packed with thousands of nerve endings, constantly sending real-time signals directly to your brain. When you walk barefoot on natural ground, those signals increase and activate your senses much more deeply. This stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for deep rest and recovery. Most people today are running on low-level stress all day long without even being aware of it. Some grounding studies suggest that direct earth contact may help lower stress and improve your mood noticeably. People who walk barefoot regularly report better focus, greater calm, and a much more relaxed mental state. Even if the full science is still developing, the calming effect most people experience feels very genuinely real. Inflammation quietly plays a huge role in many of the most common health problems people deal with daily. Joint pain, deep fatigue, and poor sleep are all connected to how inflamed your body actually is. Early research suggests that direct contact with the earth may positively influence your body's inflammatory response naturally. Some findings show improvements in sleep quality, muscle recovery, and overall well-being after grounding on earth regularly. Even short barefoot sessions on natural surfaces may actively support your body's own deep natural healing process. This area of study is still growing, but the early signs are encouraging and very worth exploring now. Here is a benefit that almost everyone completely overlooks the first time they hear about barefoot walking. Every time your bare foot touches the ground, your brain receives powerful and detailed real-time feedback. It reads texture, pressure, movement, and angle, all in just a tiny fraction of a second automatically. This strengthens something called proprioception, your body's sense of where it is and how it is moving. Better proprioception means improved coordination, faster reactions, and a noticeably lower risk of injury over time. As you age, proprioception naturally begins to decline, and this is one big reason falls become common. Barefoot walking actively trains both your brain and body to stay sharp, alert, and physically aware always. In a very real way, barefoot walking does not just train your feet, it trains your brain too. Think of it as a real workout for your nervous system happening quietly with every single barefoot step. Now, before you kick off your shoes, there are some real and important risks you need to know. Sharp objects you cannot see, bacteria in the soil, and fungi can all harm your unprotected feet badly. Foot strain is also common if your feet are not yet used to walking without any shoe support. If you have diabetes, nerve damage, or circulation issues, please speak with your doctor before starting this. What is a small scratch for most people can become a serious medical problem for someone else entirely. Also, not every surface is the same, and there is a huge difference between grass and hard concrete. Always look at and pay careful attention to what is beneath your feet before walking barefoot anywhere outside. Start slow, be consistent, and never push your feet harder or further than they are ready for. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes each day on soft grass or clean natural sand outside. That is genuinely all you need at first, just a small patch of earth and your bare feet. The goal here is not to push through pain, but to let your feet slowly reconnect with nature. Each day your feet will grow a little stronger, more flexible, and far more responsive to the ground.
Okay, gently
Consistency
shift your weight
matters
to the
far
left
more than
foot.
intensity here.
Keep your
A
core
little every
tight,
day builds something real
like
and
this.
lasting over time.
Exactly, hold it
You will
there.
begin to feel the ground beneath you in a way you completely forgot was even possible. There is something deeply grounding about simply removing your shoes and standing on the real earth again. It reconnects you to something ancient, something your body has always known but slowly began to forget. Modern life moves so fast, and somewhere along the way we quietly lost this deeply natural, simple habit. Thick cushioned shoes gave us comfort, but slowly took away something our bodies truly and deeply needed. We swapped connection with the earth for convenience, and our health has been quietly paying the price. Barefoot walking is not a miracle, and nobody should ever claim that it will fix everything overnight. But it is a simple, free, and natural habit that can restore what modern life has quietly removed. Stronger feet that work the way nature originally intended, supporting your body properly from the ground up. Better balance so you feel stable, confident, and truly grounded no matter where life takes you today. A calmer nervous system, because sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply touch the earth. The smallest changes are often the ones your body responds to most deeply and powerfully over time.